Hey folks, welcome to the Subdivision Farmer. I'm Rob, the Subdivision Farmer. This is day 3 of clearing our land to start our farm. We've got a lot done yesterday, but I just want you to see one of the main reasons we're doing this. And I don't think the screen is going to do the sunrise justice, but it's beautiful. It really is. We've cleared the lower lot. We can sit up here and look down across our garden, vines, chickens, whatever we decide to put there. Come out here in the morning, listen to the birds, and watch the sunrise. This is day 3, so get ready. We got guys on the way, and we're gonna get started. Donald is the first guy to show up. Strick's Forestry and Mulching. He's got his shredder on there again from day number 1. And what they're gonna do is pull down some of them big trees that they're gonna have to do together. And once they get them on the ground, Strick will grind them up. And right behind them, D&D Construction, rolling in. So they done got started. I hadn't got anything down here close to them loading up. I thought I would. I'd step up here and watch these guys do their work. Big old bucketfuls. So I'm hoping the sun isn't gonna block this too much. But they're starting to dig down, get rid of the root system of the big one. Let me step around. So I'm down here on the lower part. Donnie's digging up the roots from that big fella right there. He might even push it over. There we go. Look at that. Wow. My goodness, feel the wind come off of that. That was fabulous. Pulling that bad boy up. Filling in the hole. All right, we're in the backyard now. Got the chain link down. First pine in the backyard to go. Good deal. Trying to keep it from going to the fence. There we go. Awesome. Man. Mama said, wow, he's really good. Again, we got two companies here today. We got D&D Construction. I'm gonna give them a shout out. They're doing a great job. And Strick's Forestry and Mulching. They're doing a great job getting this stuff down out of the way for us. So folks, this is the mess they've made here in the backyard, and I mean that sarcastically. They're doing a great job. They got these pines down. There's a few more they got to get down up there, but they got to drag these out of here first. And watch this big boy drop here. Last big tree that's going down on that lot. It'll be clear. Timber, somebody yell it. Somebody holler timber. That is it for the backyard. So the sun has gone down on the subdivision farm. A little more to do, but they're loading up the big stuff. They'll be back Monday. Supposed to rain tonight. You can see the clouds rolling in. So all this will be nice and wet. At least tomorrow morning. Supposed to rain good tonight. We'll put down some grass. Y'all have a great weekend, okay? Take care. See you soon.